Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one's just going to be a quick one. We're just going to look at making a reflective sort of surface or material in 3ds Max. So what we're going to do is we are going to load into our file. I've already got it set up here. We're in our material editor. You know how to get here. I've got this little sort of I guess street light. It doesn't really look like one, but this is meant to be a street light. We've got our Omni light in the center here, and we've got our sort of reflecting panel behind it, angled down to the surface. You can see here right now, it's just a normal material, and the panel is absorbing quite a bit of light. So yeah, if we go into our mapping that we've done for street lights, we can see this sort of reflective metallic surface that is designed to bounce the light back from the top down into the surface. That's not happening right now. You can see the panel is sort of like a light blue, which means it's absorbing quite a lot of light and not reflecting much. So to fix this, we want to hop into that material editor that we have open, drag just over the normal PBR material, metal or rough. We've already got it here anyway. Make sure we actually assign it to our thing. Right click and assign material, and we hop into metalness. Type that all the way up to 1, and as you can see straight away, the panel has gone a dark blue, which means it's not absorbing a lot of light. It's actually reflecting more of it, which is more accurate to what we want. Theoretically, it might not be super visible on the ground to see an increase in like luminance, but if we can see the panel, we can see it is reflecting that light down, which gives it a greater sense of more accuracy, which is what we want. So yeah, we'll just keep on playing around, make sure we're not adjusting the wrong value as I am now. But yeah, there we go, metalness is what we want. Yep, 0, it's lighter blue, which means it's taking in more light instead of reflecting it, which is what we actually want it to do. You can notice a difference as well as it reflects onto the ground too, which is great. And as I did mention, that material is just PBR material, metal/rough. There are other ways you could go. I think there's an Arnold rendering specific material, but it's unnecessary. We can just use this standard material. It works just as well. So now that we have that, we can actually go and pretty much apply that material to the rest of our panels. Simply just go and select a new one, new panel, right click, assign material. Yeah, pretty handy to do. Can't really notice again on the ground, but you do actually see it if you look closely at the panel, which is the main thing. Anyway, like I said, this was just a quick video. This is pretty much wraps it all up. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful if you're trying to do a light map of York University campus as we are. Thanks again, guys. See ya.